Good afternoon. I am Sushil Sharma, Professor and Course Director of Pharmacology at the St. James School of Medicine, Bonaire in Netherlands. In this report, we have highlighted the importance of biochemical, morphological and pharmacological changes in the adolescent brain during maturation from 10 to 25 years of age. Any genetic or environmental insult during this critical period of brain development can induce deleterious consequences in the learning, intelligence, memory and behavior, as has been noticed recently and in the past in violent individuals of this age group in the United States. Usually, adolescents indulge in reckless behavior, disinhibition, violence, drug-seeking behavior, drunk driving, overspeeding and vehicle accidents in addition to unprotected sex and harboring STDs. Adolescent period is a highly vulnerable to reckless behavior due to still developing neurotransmitters such as GABA and hormones including the testosterone, estrogen and progesterone, which influence myelinogenesis, tubulinogenesis and synaptogenesis required for the maturation of the brain regional neurocircuitry and cybernetics. Particularly, the prefrontal cortex governs various executive brain functions which remain in an active stage of maturation during adolescence. Any impairment in this region may lead to deleterious consequences in the overall personality of an adolescent person. Dr. Steinberg from CDC USA has reported that a 15-year-old adolescent may agree in principle with his parents, however, during decision making may engage in a reckless behavior due to immature brain regional neurocircuitry, myelinogenesis in the prefrontal cortex and in the limbic system. Hence, the limbic system and the sensation-seeking behavior among adolescents is governed by his emotions and motivation. Finally, we have emphasized the importance of marine food containing omega-3 fatty acids for the proper myelination of the brain regional neurocircuitry. Hence, in addition to genes and environment, healthy lifestyle controlling diet, sex, sleep and exercise may significantly influence the maturation of adolescent brain. A further study in this direction will go a long way in the clinical management of adolescent population with learning, intelligence, memory and behavior impairment. Thank you very much.